So, yeah. If you want to learn how to do this look, stay tuned. What am I doing? Who am I? Help. We're back. Okay. What this is supposed to be is a makeup tutorial. A drunk one. This is a drunk makeup tutorial. So that's why we're so close to my face, because we're gonna be looking at my makeup. Okay, listen. You know, maybe I need a new setup. Hi, hello. This lighting is shit. Okay, look, here we are. You're just gonna have to deal with the lighting because, well, actually, no. Let me move this. I spilled my drink. Hold on. We've moved to the bathroom. Let me just check the sound. Sound is decent. Made myself a new drink. Alright, enough fucking around. No, there's gonna be a lot more fucking around here. Okay. I hope. Let me see what time it is. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep it quiet, okay? Which might be a little hard. So, I'm gonna put some shit in the sink. What we have for you today is a look. I don't know what kind of look, but it's certainly a look. Now, this is my only palette, okay? It's my only palette. Hello, it's my only palette. So, I'm gonna use it. I go in with eyes first because all the cool people do that. So, this is my selection. What do I want to even do? I'll do like a... Ooh, I have an idea. Okay. Why is this the idea? Okay, hold on. No, I got a different idea. Gotta grab a brush. Ah, shit. Okay. I have the absolute shittiest brushes in the world. They're Jeffree Star X Morphe. They look like this. Yeah, fun. So I'm just gonna use them because that's all I got. Literally, okay. I just washed these, so that's probably why they look so bad. They don't usually look this bad, but you know, gotta go for it. So gonna go into Area 51 and put that on the outer corner. Okay, I'm gonna go in some more. You know, maybe this brush is still wet, or maybe I suck. Either way, I'm gonna continue. Try to show you guys what I got here. I'm gonna put it on like half of my eyelid. Oh my god, these brushes suck. Other eyelid. Like the eyeshadow is not even that bad. To be fair, I chose the worst eyeshadow, but the brushes themselves, they suck ass. Try to make it even. It's a little patchy. I don't know how to put on eyeshadow. Okay. Listen. Oh shit, I forgot eye primer. You know, that might be an issue. But this is drunk tutorial, okay? This is not regular tutorial. So I can do whatever the hell I want. I can forget whatever the hell I want. I'm gonna take it a little bit. Yeah, I look like I'm sick. In a good way. No, in a bad way. So next, I'm gonna go in with Moon Rock. And this might respond better to my wet brushes because it is a shimmer. So we're just gonna slap that on. Oh yeah, that's some good application actually. Slap that on the other side. This is actually one of my favorite shades because it's green and gold and I love green and gold. So yeah, and then just blend that out. Blend over the shit. Blend it all out. I feel like this could use some green on the underneath. So I'm gonna go in, wait, hold on. I'm gonna go in with Flying Saucer and put some of that on the eye. Is this a good time to say that I have like no experience, or did I already say that? Oh, this shit under the eye to give a little pop of green. Okay. Okay, now let me go in with my fingers and just wipe away and blend just all of that shit together. There was a little bit of fallout and it's still there. I'm gonna blend okay. The thing about these shimmers is that I feel like they're so dry, but also this is the only eyeshadow I've ever tried, so it might be just that shimmers are dry in general. I look like a clown, but let me just go in with the brush. Okay. I wanted to channel Lauren May Beauty. Did I do it? No, wait. In order to do it, I need an inner corner highlight. So for this look, I'm gonna go in with, should I go with Pluto or Pluto. And we're just gonna highlight the inner corner. Oh shit, that's a lot. Okay. And do it to the other side. Just go like in a circle. And then you can't go wrong. That is a beaming inner corner highlight, just saying. Okay. So we use a lot of, this honestly is like Midsummer Night's Dream. It's honestly like a, not that bad. Not the worst look I've ever done. You know, I could go up into the eyebrow with this shade. I'm gonna go higher. I'm gonna go just a little bit higher with this shit. And then with the purple, just gonna go a little bit higher up to the brow. Because I have hooded eyes, that's why. Ooh. The inner corner highlight honestly saved the look. I like to blow my palettes because, like, fuck it, they're mine. So anyway, the other palette I want to get is the Blueberry Muffin. So if anyone wants to, like, send me money to get the Blueberry Muffin palette, it's only like 14 bucks, but still. Now I'm gonna go in. Gonna go in with blush. Just which color though? What color? Ooh, the purple blush. Okay, hold on. Oh shit. It's not broken. Okay. I want to do the purple bunch, so I'm gonna do that. I take this big blunt brush. It's supposed to be for foundation, but I like it for blush. Actually, no, I'm gonna take the little blunt brush. Okay, little blunt brush, dip in. This shade is called Amethyst. Amethyst, this is the Fairy Blush palette from Likely Makeup. And we're just gonna go in. Very lightly, because these blushes are kind of pigmented. So I'm just gonna, oh shit, that's too much. It's okay, it's a look. Yeah, nice like wash of purple. Honestly, this brush sucks and I'd rather use my fingers. This is just how it is with Morphe times Jeffree Star brushes. I just would always rather use my fingers. Okay, so it looks like I'm a little bruised. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of that shit on my nose. And then I'm gonna put a bit of that shit up on this upper area. Put a little bit of that shit. Yeah, this is working out. Oh my god. I'm gonna go into the highlighter. So I have this. So I have a lot of highlighters to choose from, but I think I'm gonna go in with like a bluey one. So bluey one would be, I assume, Skywalker. So I'm just gonna go in and highlight the shit out of my shit. Ooh. Yeah. I mean, it's not even, but like, it's a good highlighter. Gotta go a little bit on the cheek, a little bit all over the place. A little bit on the cheek, a little bit up here. And I like to do a little bit on the brow bone. Just a little bit. Kind of, yeah. Yeah, and then I like to do a little bit on the nose. So just nosing. Yeah. Extraterrestrial. Dude, the highlighter's chill as fuck. Okay. Now we're gonna go with the extras. Eyeliner. Oh shit. Well, I should say the eyeliner. Yeah. I don't like this eyeliner very much, but I got it from a friend, so I'm using it. I don't do winged eyeliner because I'm not a freaking girl. No. No offense to girls who do winged eyeliner. It looks great. It's just not me. I try to get in my waterline, but it doesn't really work. That's probably unhygienic. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Okay, so I got the eyeliner on. It's not perfect, but like fuck it, nothing's perfect. Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. I'm just gonna like blend that out with the fucking brush. I use this little thing. Just to smoke it out. Is that what smoking it out is? I don't know. I'm honestly kind of a fan of this look. Okay. Mascara, which I honestly like. It's drugstore. It's CoverGirl. Flourish by Lash Blast. Who's Lash Blast? But I like the wand because, like, check it out. It's like spiky and shit. And it makes my eyelashes like poop. And by that I mean pop. But oh my god, does it ever feel weird? And I don't like mascara. Oh shit, I got some on my freaking chin. Not chin, cheek. I got more. I shouldn't have gone in with this shit. Okay. Now I have to wait for it to dry and then get a spoolie. But while it's doing that, I'm gonna do my brows, which, yeah, I just go in with brow gel. Because why do anything else? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Why? 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 When that happens, I gotta even it out on the other side. So that it looks even. And then what I do is I kind of use my fingers and try to just, ooh, blend. Okay, that's not so bad. Okay, is this dry? Shit. See, the trick is to wait for the mascara to dry and then go in with your spoolie, but like, I didn't really wait that long, so looks like that. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. I don't have concealer, so. And this is the final look. That is the end of the video. So goodbye. That's all I got.